Okay, we got cut off, so I want to there was some work in here, but I just want to focus on where we were at when we got cut off. So here's where I'm at. Okay, so now we do the opposite. So this becomes positive, positive, because we're really subtracting. These should cancel. This has nowhere to go, so it's going to come down. Now here, I'm doing fractions. You could do this on Desmos or a calculator. I'm going to do it by hand. Put a 1 there. Get a common denominator times 4 times 4. So this is 8 fourths and 7 fourths. So that's going to be what? 15 fourths. Okay. And then because like when you know you're done dividing, when you kind of run out of space, right? Like in a digit number, like if you have 12 into whatever, 486, when you get to the last digit, right, and bring stuff down, whatever's left is your remainder. Let me peek over there. There you go. So I'm at the constant, place value. So I'm done. So now my answer is what? Well, I have this up here. So my answer is 1/2 x squared minus, what is that? 7 fourths plus, here's my remainder, negative 8x plus what? 15 fourths. And then we put that over our divisor. So that is 2x squared plus 1. Okay. And it's ugly. Can't do synthetic division because it's ugly. Okay. So if I wanted to divide this using synthetic division, I would have to use something nice. All right. So let's just show you that quick. So I could not divide the problem I had. So I could, what was it? There was none of that minus 8x plus 2. So say I wanted to divide this by, say, x minus 2. I could do that because it's an x and there's no x squared, there's no coefficient. I can do that. So synthetic division, my x to the fourth is a 1. There is 0 x cubed, so leave a place value, negative 3, negative 8, and a positive 2. Now, factors are this. Zeros are the answers or the solutions. So that's, the 2. Like this would cross 2 on the x-axis if it was one of the zeros on this polynomial. All right. So bring down, always. Multiply and add. And when I say add, we're adding integers. So a negative, make a negative. If you have negative and positive, it depends. Okay. So 1 times 2 is 2. Bring down. Multiply. For money debt, I'd have $1 left. Multiply. Bring down, multiply, bring down, okay? So this has a remainder. This 2, if I graph this thing is not going to cross 2 on the x-axis. 2 is not a solution to this. But if I do long division, what do I have? When you divide by an x, it's going to go down. So this is going to be x cubed, x squared, positive x, minus 6, and then that's my remainder. So the answer by doing synthetic division would be that my remainder is negative 10. Now, you're not dividing by 2. The original is, the factor is kind of the reverse of that, x minus 2. So synthetic division is great, okay? But you can't always use it, okay? Has to be pretty, unfortunately. All right, I'm going to show you some purposes of synthetic division and all this and how this can help us factor a polynomial, graph it without Desmos, all that good stuff in another video.